This executive scientific report provides an overview of chlorinated drugs as a significant class of pharmaceuticals with considerable sales, revenue, and robust development pipelines. Chlorinated drugs incorporate chlorine atoms into drug structures to optimize pharmacokinetic PK and pharmacodynamic PD properties. The strategic use of chlorine enhances drug performance, leading to improved membrane permeability, metabolic stability, and target selectivity. This results in better efficacy, safety, and convenience for patients. Notably, the presence of chlorine can improve oral bioavailability, extend half-life, and facilitate penetration of biological barriers like the blood-brain barrier. Consequently, this favorable profile has led to the prominence of chlorinated drugs in various therapeutic areas, including oncology, infectious diseases, and central nervous system CNS therapies. Over the past decade, both the FDA and EMA have approved numerous chlorinated drugs, some of which have achieved blockbuster status. Furthermore, the current pipeline comprises several promising investigational new drugs INDs that leverage chlorination chemistry to optimize therapeutic profiles. In this report, we highlight the top 3 FDA, EMA-approved chlorinated drugs, focusing on their mechanism of action, therapeutic applications, and annual sales revenue. Additionally, we showcase 3 exciting INDs featuring chlorination chemistry and discuss key players at the forefront of this innovative drug design and development. Finally, we explore the compelling value proposition of chlorinated drugs and forecast projected sales for both established drugs and promising pipeline candidates. Before proceeding, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. At No. 1, we have Erlotinib tarceva, a chlorinated quinazoline derivative that inhibits the epidermal growth factor receptor EGFR tyrosine kinase. Chlorination in Erlotinib enhances metabolic stability and target binding affinity. It is indicated for the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer, SCLC, and pancreatic cancer. With sales of approximately $1.2 billion in 2022, the drug's revenue has steadily declined due to patent expiry and competition, reaching around $1 billion in 2024. Forecasted sales are expected to continue this downward trend, albeit at a slower pace, reaching $850 million by 2025. $800 million by 2026, and $750 million by 2027. Coming in at No. 2 is Chloramphenicol, a chlorinated nitrobenzene derivative that inhibits bacterial protein synthesis. Its lipophilicity is increased by chlorination, leading to enhanced cell penetration and activity against susceptible bacteria. It is primarily used for serious bacterial infections where other antibiotics are ineffective. Chloramphenicol has shown relatively stable sales in recent years, with slight growth observed from 2022 to 2024, reaching $340 million. This modest growth is expected to continue, with sales forecasted to reach $100 million by 2025, $100 million by 2026, and $100 million by 2027. The third spot is secured by Lorlatinib, a chlorinated macrocyclic compound that targets anaplastic lymphoma kinase ALK and serous oncogene 1 ROS1 tyrosine kinases. Chlorination improves its potency and blood-brain barrier penetration. Lorlatinib is indicated for the treatment of ALK-positive metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. The drug has demonstrated strong growth in recent years, with sales figures rising from $1.3 billion in 2022 to $2.1 billion in 2024. This upward trend is expected to continue, with sales forecasted to reach $2.6 billion in 2025, $3.2 billion in 2026, and $3.8 billion by 2027. In addition to these top 3 drugs, several other chlorinated compounds are worth mentioning due to their potential for peak annual sales exceeding $500 million. These include cobimetinib, dabrafenib, dasatinib, and ponatinib. Moving forward, the development of novel chlorinated drugs holds immense promise. Three noteworthy INDs utilizing chlorination chemistry are CX4945, ONC201, and AZD5305. Each of these compounds has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of various diseases. Several companies are at the forefront of designing and developing innovative chlorinated drug candidates. In conclusion, chlorinated drugs offer a compelling value proposition by improving pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic properties through enhanced lipophilicity, increased metabolic stability, improved target affinity, and better penetration of biological barriers. As seen with the highlighted approved drugs and promising INDs, this translates to better patient outcomes and commercial viability. Looking ahead, continued investment in medicinal chemistry, PK/PD optimization, and drug delivery strategies will be crucial for maintaining a competitive edge and maximizing the value of chlorinated drug assets.